Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Budapest, the capital city of Hungary, is one of Europe's most stunning and vibrant cities. It is known for its rich history, architectural beauty, and a unique blend of old-world charm and modern energy. Here are some highlights about Budapest. Budapest geography is split by the Danube River into two parts. First is Buda, the hilly, more residential side, known for its historic sites. Second is Pest, the flat, bustling side with the city's cultural, economic, and nightlife hub. Budapest is famous for its panoramic views, particularly from locations like Gellert Hill and the Fisherman's Bastion. Budapest key attractions are Buda Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that houses museums and offers breathtaking views. Parliament Building, one of Europe's largest and most iconic legislative buildings, situated along the Danube. Fisherman's Bastion, a fairy tale-like terrace with stunning views of the city and river. Secondly, thermal baths, one of the largest medicinal baths in Europe, highlighting Budapest's spa culture. Hero Square, a landmark dedicated to Hungarian history and its prominent leaders. Great Market Hall, a vibrant marketplace where you can sample Hungarian cuisine and shop for souvenirs. Budapest cultural highlights. Thermal baths. Budapest sits on a network of natural hot springs, making thermal baths a cornerstone of its culture. Cuisine, known for dishes like goulash, chimney cake, and langos, Hungarian food is hearty and flavorful. Don't miss the wine, particularly Tokaji and Bull's Blood, Egri Bykaver. Ruin bars. These quirky bars, often housed in abandoned buildings, have become a staple of Budapest's nightlife. Budapest history is founded as a quincum by the Romans. Budapest has a rich history spanning the Ottoman era, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and Soviet rule. The city's current form came about in 1873 when Buda, Pest, and Buda were united. Budapest public transport, efficient and includes metro lines, buses, and trams. The Millennium Underground Railway is the oldest metro line in continental Europe. Walkability. Many attractions are easily accessible by foot, especially along the Danube promenade. Budapest fun facts. Budapest has 8 bridges connecting Buda and Pest, including the iconic Chain Bridge. The city has over 100 thermal springs. Its nickname, the Paris of the East, comes from its beauty and cultural significance. Budapest architecture and landmarks. Budapest is a haven for architecture lovers, with a blend of Roman, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and Art Nouveau styles. St. Stephen's Basilica, the largest church in Budapest, with stunning neoclassical architecture and a panoramic view from the dome. Matthias Church, located in the Castle district, it features colorful tiled roofs and a rich history that dates back to the 13th century. Chain Bridge, built in the 19th century, it connects Buda and Pest across the Danube River, and is an iconic symbol of the city. Hungarian State Opera House, one of the finest opera houses in Europe, known for its beautiful interior and acoustics. House of Terror, a museum documenting the brutal histories of both the Nazi and Soviet occupations of Hungary. Danube River and cruises. The Danube River divides the city into Buda and Pest, and cruising on the river is one of the best ways to see the city. A river cruise offers breathtaking views of landmarks like Buda Castle, the Parliament Building, and the Gellert Hill. Night cruises are especially magical, with the city lit up in the evening. Budapest parks and green spaces. Budapest is also home to lush green spaces that offer a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Margaret Island, a peaceful retreat on the Danube, ideal for walking, cycling, and relaxing with gardens, a small zoo, and even a musical fountain. City Park, Városliget. This large public park has attractions like the Székely thermal baths, the Budapest Zoo, and the Városliget Castle. Hungarian culture and festivals. Budapest is vibrant year-round, with a rich cultural calendar. Some notable festivals include Sziget Festival, one of the largest music festivals in Europe, held on Buda Island every August. Budapest Spring Festival, a major cultural event showcasing classical music, opera, jazz, and dance. Christmas markets, held in the winter. These markets are a must-visit for seasonal treats, mulled wine, and handmade crafts. Budapest Wine Festival. If you're a fan of wine, this is the perfect opportunity to taste the best Hungarian wines against the backdrop of Buda Castle. Budapest has a lively nightlife scene that's among the best in Europe, especially with its famous ruin bars. Ruin bars are unique bars set up in abandoned buildings, warehouses, and old courtyards in the Jewish district. They're eclectic and often feature art, music, and a laid-back atmosphere. Some well-known ones are Simple, Kurt, and Instant. Beyond the ruin bars, Budapest also boasts clubs, jazz bars, and cozy pubs, especially in the District 7 area. Budapest shopping is Váci Street. This pedestrian street is lined with shops and cafes, perfect for picking up souvenirs or just strolling. Andrássy Avenue, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's home to high-end shops, the Opera House, and many elegant buildings. Great Market Hall, ideal for purchasing local goods like paprika, Hungarian wines, and traditional handicrafts. The official language is Hungarian, which is quite different from other European languages, though many people in Budapest also speak English, especially in tourist areas. Currency. The local currency is the Hungarian forint, HUF. Euros are not widely accepted, so it's best to have forints on hand or use credit cards. Best time to visit: spring, April, June, and autumn, September, October, are generally the best times to visit, as the weather is mild and many festivals take place. Summer, July-August, can be warm, with temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius (86 degrees Fahrenheit), and is the peak tourist season. Winter, November, February, can be cold, but Budapest's Christmas markets, warm baths, and festive atmosphere make it a lovely winter destination. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.